In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add IPTC copyright and creator information using Adobe Bridge. This is a crucial step for photographers and creatives who want to ensure their work is correctly attributed and protected. So, let's dive in and make sure your images are tagged with the right information. First, start by launching Adobe Bridge on your computer. Locate the folder containing the images that need tagging. The layout of Bridge makes it easy to navigate through your files. You'll find your folder structure displayed neatly on the left-hand side, allowing you to drill down to the specific location where your images reside. Once you've opened the correct folder, it's time to select the images you want to tag with copyright or creator information. Bridge allows for flexibility, so whether you're working with a single image or a batch, you can select them all at once. To do this, click on the images while holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac. This multi-select feature is particularly handy if you're looking to apply the same information across numerous files. Next, we need to open the File Info dialog. Head over to the menu at the top, click on File, and then choose File Info from the drop-down. This will bring up a comprehensive window where we can enter all the necessary metadata for our images. In the File Info dialog, you'll begin your journey in the Description tab. Here, you'll encounter several fields that cater to the metadata needs of your image, such as author, copyright status, and copyright owner. Entering information here helps to ensure that your identity and rights are secured along with the work. Now, let's switch to the IPTC Core tab. This might sometimes appear under slightly different names, but look for IPTC Core or something similar. This area expands on the metadata possibilities, introducing fields like creator, credit line, copyright notice, and even a web statement of rights. Focus first on the creator field. This is where your author name goes. Fill it out with your name or the name you wish to be associated with the work. Moving on to the copyright sections, you'll want to set the copyright status. If your work is copyrighted, which is usually the case, you can set this field to Copyrighted. Don't forget to fill out the copyright owner and craft a clear copyright notice. An example of a copyright notice might be C 2025 Your Name. If you have a web page or a URL relevant to your rights or portfolio, you can add that to the web statement of rights as well. When you're satisfied with all the information entered, go ahead and click OK or Apply. This step is crucial as it ensures that the metadata is embedded within the image file itself or its accompanying sidecar file. If you've selected multiple files, rest assured the metadata will be applied uniformly across all those images, streamlining your workflow. And there you have it. You've now successfully embedded IPTC copyright and creator information to your images using Adobe Bridge. By taking these steps, you're not only organizing your work, but also safeguarding it for future use. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tagging!